Saxon Phonics Lesson 54. Today we're going to talk about spelling with the final C. But first let's do our review sounds. Number 1. V. 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 And we remember when we spell with V at the end, we have to have an E on the end. That still makes the same sound. V. Number 2. G. 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 Do you notice when I wrote my G, it was the circle above the line and my hook goes below the line. Number 3. P. 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 Number 4. N. 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 Number 5. Ah. Ah. O. Number 6. I. 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 Number 7. B. 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 Make sure your B's belly is facing your right-hand side. So away from the numbers, your right-hand side. Number 8. Z. Z. We know Z makes that sound, and sometimes S. Number 9. Ah. Ah. A. Number 10. R. 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 Now, because I told you we're going to practice spelling with the final C sound, the sound is K for number 11. K. We know K makes the K sound. We know C makes the K sound. What else? CK makes the K sound. And KE makes the K sound. All these letters or letter combinations make the K sound. Now we know when spelling with the final K sound, so when you have the K at the end of a word, we know that CK is used after a short vowel. K is used after a consonant or a vowel digraph. That means 2 vowels. KE is used after a long vowel. And now C will be used at the end of a word with 2 or more syllables. Let's look at number 12. Milk. Milk. How many syllables do you hear? 1. We know it's not C. What's before our letter that we need to put? An L. Is that a vowel or a consonant? A consonant. Which rule tells us to use it after a consonant? Right! The K is used after a consonant or vowel digraph. Milk. Number 13. Frantic. Frantic. What kind of vowel is used before our letter? A short vowel. I. And how many syllables does frantic have? Let's clap it out. Frantic. Frantic. How many did you hear? I heard 2. Let's look and see. C is used at the end of a word with 2 or more syllables. So what do you think we put on line 13? Right, a C, because this word has 2 syllables. Number 14, poke. Poke. How many syllables do you hear? Poke. Poke. 1. Now let's look at the letter before. It's an O. Is that a vowel or a consonant? Vowel. And is it short or long? P-oak. It's a long vowel. What rule tells us to use CK, K, KE, or C after a long vowel? Right, our KE is used after a long vowel. Poke. Number 15, picnic. Picnic. How many syllables do you hear? Picnic. Let's clap it out. Picnic. I hear 2. What letter do we use after you hear 2 syllables? C. Picnic. Number 16, think. How many syllables do you hear? Think. 1. Now we need to figure out what letter goes here. What is before? Is that a vowel or a consonant? A consonant. And what letter do we put after consonants? K. Number 17, pluck. Pluck. Is that 1, 2, or more syllables? Pluck. It's 1. Now what is the letter before? You're looking for a vowel, consonant, and then if it's a vowel, you need to see if it's a short or a long one. Right, it's a short vowel. What do we use after a short vowel? Look up at your rules. CK is used after a short vowel. Pluck. Number 18, attic. Attic. How many syllables do you hear? Attic. 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 2. And what do we use after we hear 2 syllables? A C at the end of a word. Right. Number 19, book. Book. How many syllables do you hear? 1. And what's before? I see a double vowel digraph. Right. And what do we put after a double vowel digraph? Look up at your rule. K is used after a consonant or vowel digraph. 2 letters making 1 sound. Neck. Number 20 is neck. How many syllables does neck have? 1. And what's before? A short vowel. Look up at your rules. What do we need to use? CK is used after a short vowel. Does that match? Right. Number 21, like. How many syllables does that have? Right, 1. What is before our ending k sound? A long I. And what do we use after a long vowel? KE is used after a long vowel. If you need more time to complete this side, pause the video. Read with me or follow along. Tiff and Seth went on a picnic. There was a lot of food at the picnic. Tiff brought grapes and muffins. Seth brought milk to drink. The picnic was fun. Number 1. Who went with Seth? Number 2. What did Seth bring? Milk, grapes, muffins. Number 3. What did Seth and Tiff drink? Grapes, muffins, milk. When you're finished filling in the answers, submit your worksheet to your teacher.